Woloso!
Just kind of lean into it.
The Oldest Boy by Sarah Rule. This, I think, is their most accessible play.
I have yet to read the play without being a puddle of tears at the end of it.
When two different cultures, when they're together, there's always a conflict, right? Cultural differences. So this show is about Tibetan husband and the American mother.
This play asks the audience member to imagine, if you're an American, what would happen if somebody from a foreign country knocked on your door and said, your child is the reincarnation of a High Lama, holy man. We want to take your child to India, enthrone him, and train him to be a high priest of Buddhism. What would you say?
Very close in together.
She is finding identity as a mother in a new spiritual realm, a new culture. Even the conversation of her child taken away, I think tears apart who she is.
Beautiful piece, astonishing question this play carries to the stage.
This is a show about when you really commit to something, when you choose to be part of something that's larger than yourself. Are we willing to take that whole leap into what that means?
This piece is funny, it's mysterious, it's magical, it's beautiful, and it is exotic.
My hope is that people think about the larger meaning of what it means to be a mother, what that means to do the very best thing for your child, which is what all mothers want.
It's also about what do you do when you meet a profoundly different culture that brings profoundly different values? How do you choose what to do? What do you listen to? What you knew or what's new?
I want there to be conversations. I don't think it's a simple show. I don't want people to walk away agreeing with everything they saw, but I want them to think and feel and be changed when they leave.